Yeah, you can put it back on the... Yeah, so this is installing the headers. All right. So it is not that bad.
You got it? Good?
So you got to slide the motor all the way over and shove the header in. Okay, and to prevent it from falling back out,
You can always resort to YouTube, Nickel. I didn't have it.
Alright. Slide it all the way to the other side. That one's pretty tight now. Now you're going to slide this one all the way up. Okay. Now you're going to slide the motor back and let the bolt down the engine mount, and that should be able to stay still enough. Oh, we don't want to drip that out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the header, put the exhaust gasket on. What's going on? Give me 1 second. Alright. 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 Cool. Man, I tell you, these snap rings on these pliers, on these tools are really annoying when they don't work. Hey, do we have any anti-seize? Anti-seize, Nick. Huh? Is it in this toolbox over here? I mean, in this tool cabinet? Okay. All right. Cut. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right.
Wait, so is this not on whenever y'all started it up?
Oh,
okay.
Nope, none of this was on.
I got you. Man, you did that quick.
Yeah, it's because I made it easy. I need something to make this straight.
Like
I guess I could pull them both that direction.
I was just looking around and then I see that. I'm like, oh shit.
All right, maybe it wasn't so great. Here, hold that for a second. No, I need the wrench.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like if that gets too big of a bump, you might just tear right through that rubber.
Well, that isn't what holds this thing up. It's this what I'm tightening. This is what all the weight's actually on.
Okay.
You could actually remove this. It'll just rotate a little bit, you see?
Okay.
It hardly moves. All right. Okay. All right, and he sees. Always sees it.
I don't think I've ever seen.
Man, if you don't do this to these things, they'll never come back out.
Really?
All right, so I'm screwing this in without undoing the plug, the pigtail. So,
twist the wire.
and this goes into the downpipe. I don't have it to the header because I didn't really know how everybody's different headers would work. Let's see, so this has to thread in like this. So this is an oxygen sensor and what's called a wideband sensor.
A wideband?
Yeah.
What's that?
That is a sensor that reads a wider amount of air to fuel ratios.
Huh.
So this one might only be able to read, let me see, like 14 or 14 to 1 all the way up to, say, 12 to 1.
Huh.
Whereas this one can read like 9 to 1 air to fuel to like 22 to 1. Man, this thing will not screw in straight. Maybe because I'm in crooked.
Just put it in straight.
Yeah, that's what she said. Just couldn't get her to listen. go. All right. So this can read more precise and have a better idea of where you're at. So it's important when you're using nitrous or turbos to be able to...
You know what I've never understood?
What?
Why do they call the closed in part of a wrench a box end whenever it's circular in shape?
Oh, I thought it was the open end. What'd you think about the white seats still? I was talking to Victor. Okay. Not yet, you need some battery power. Sure. He needs battery power to be able to crank it. Yeah, that's right. We good. Crank the beach up. Other direction. Well, I don't fucking remember.
You going to drive it right now?
I don't think so. Headlights on. There we go. We even got headlights.
Hell yeah.
Nah. Sure, go ahead. Hey! That bottle isn't hooked up. All right.
Can I hit it or no?
I mean, not yet.